been a while since I last did a video, but the weather has been absolutely atrocious, and you'll see from the ground it has been raining so much it's not even soaking away anymore. Right, this is just a little test run to see how I can cope, I suppose, with pulling this trailer. Can't do severe drops for that. Okay, let's see how it looks. Going out doing some trailing over the next hopefully few days if the rain holds off. I know the packing crates are slightly too wide for this. I need to file the edges to get them to sit properly. At least it gives me a reasonable looking cargo. There are actually four leaf springs there, 4 layers of leaf spring. This one that makes a very effective looking trail. They're not too expensive, they're just over £20. And I modified the connectors on night. I've got a tow hitch, which is just a 3mm screw dropped through the bar with chain link onto a body clip to prevent it jumping out. It's the only one of my trucks that can actually pull a trailer. Just at the moment anyway. Oh well, does have its limitations, I suppose. I wanted to get its wheels dirty, so to speak. So yeah, I might try and get this onto a proper trailer and see how the trailer holds up on doing a full trail. It may bounce about a bit, but that's neither here nor there. For the money, I'd say that the little trailers are very nice. You do have to glue the tyres onto the wheels though, and they don't come glued, which allows you to change the tyres whatever you want, I suppose. But no, for about £22–23, depending on who you're getting them from, I think they're really worth the money. Right, that's all for today, folks. Talk to you again later. Bye for now. Like and subscribe if you could please, if you haven't already done so. Thank you.